Hi, Jacob. Jacob, what are you doing? You're playing? Huh? You playing with your toy? Yeah? Tell me. Who bought you these toys? Mommy bought you your toys? Yeah? You like all your Hot Wheels? Tell me. You don't want me to take you? You look so cute playing. He's so smart. He totally gets the concept like so fast. Like I didn't even have to show him. You have to put the toys up there. And 2 cars. And then you press the button. See? So smart. You're such a smart boy. You're not even 2 yet. Mwah! Yay! Yay, baby! Give mommy a kissy. Hmm? This is a cool toy. Can mommy play? This is a Mercedes. Here. With... it's a Maserati. Oh, it's a Maserati. Here, uh-oh. Sorry. Here. Put the Maserati. With the Bentley. Where's the Bentley? I just seen it. Oh, here it goes. Look, the Bentley. Look, Bentley. We want this car. Cool Hot Wheels. Yay! Yay! Jacob, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hello. Hey, Mr. Juju. Look at that cute face. Jacob, bye. I'm going. Say bye-bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye-bye. He's like, leave me alone. Don't you see? I'm playing, Ma. Jacob, throw me a kiss. Jacob, Sebastian, throw me a kiss. Throw me a kiss. Throw me a kiss. Okay, he's like, come on, Ma. Ma, throw a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you.